Isang tahimik pero kontroladong dominasyon ang ipinakita ng NLEX Road Warriors matapos pangunahan ni KD Lalane ang malakas na panalo kontra Phoenix at sa ngayon, ikinukumpara ito ni Robert Bolick sa isang quiet but dominant NBA star. Ang ibang detalye alamin sa aking eksklusibong pag-abante.
Sports Now. Sports Now. Exclusive.
Pinangunahan ni KD Lalane na malakas na ratsyada ng NLEX Road Warriors matapos ang 120-102 na panalo kontra Phoenix Super LPG Fuel Masters na nag-abante sa kanila sa 4-1 sa PBA Commissioner's Cup. Nagtala si Lalane ng 29 points at 10 rebounds na naging sandigan ng kuponan sa isang kontroladong laro na tuluyang lumamon sa Phoenix sa ika-4 na yugto.
It was good. Played hard, played well. Guys was hitting shots. My teammates played very well, and I played well, and we got the win. We execute the game plan, we got the win.
Sa kabila ng kanyang produksyon, nananatiling nakatuon si Lalane sa team success, isang disiplinang nagdudulot ng tinatawag ng ilan na quiet dominance na iniuugnay sa estilo ni Kawhi Leonard.
I appreciate it, man, but I just try to let my game speak for itself. Put in the work. We put in the work every day in practice, and those guys, we all did in the gym putting some work, so. I like it and just want to keep winning games as much as possible.
Kasabay nito patuloy na pinapakita ni Robert Bolick ang kanyang all-around game na nakukuha ng matinding papuri mula sa NLEX import.
Yeah, Robert's one of those. He's like Luka. You know what I mean? He could get down to the basket, get a layup, make the jump shot, 4 corner, 3 corner, what you want, assist, whatever you want. And Kev played great today. He was knocking shots down, big shots that we needed. The whole team actually played well, man. Shawnee played well. Tony came in the clutch, played well. Everybody played a very good game, man. A very well team game, and we won the game.
Naging susi ang control at versatility ni Bolick sa balance attack ng NLEX kung saan halos lahat ay may ambag sa panalo. Sa kabila ng malakas na simula, binigyang diin ni Lalane na nakatutok pa rin ang kupunan sa patuloy na pag-abante.
For us, we just try to keep getting better. We focus on us, what we do, and so we keep trying to get better, keep perfecting our offense, perfecting our chemistry. And our defense. So as long as we keep doing that, I think we have a great chance of beating all these teams. And that's what we're focusing on. So we take each game one game at a time. So
sa ngayon, malinaw ang direksyon ng NLEX. Tahimik pero epektibong dominasyon mula sa kanilang import, all-around brilliance mula sa kanilang floor general, at isang sistemang umaasa sa kolektibong execution. Ako, si Sus Valdez. Abante! Manatiling nakatutok sa Abante, sundan kami sa aming mga social media accounts at huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel, DWAR Abante Radio, para sa mga eksklusibong balita.